Happy Pride Month, everyone! This is the Crafty Crocheter, and I thought I would just do a quick little video to kick off Pride Month, to celebrate Pride and on all that stuff. I'm going to show you some of the projects I've done that are Pride related, that I've done in the past, and some I've done recently. And I plan to do plenty more in the upcoming days for Pride Month and beyond. So stay tuned for that. And without further ado, here are those projects. All right, so here are some of the items I have crafted so far. Well, not for this month, but in the past too. So I'll show you when I first started getting into crocheting for a couple Pride projects that I've done. So the first one I've done was the basic Pride flag. I did this basically all double crochets. And you can see this is kind of rudimentary project, but I was pretty proud of this when I did this because it was a big accomplishment for me when I first started out doing crochet. Then the next one, this was a granny square Afghan, again pride flag related, basic granny squares with a white border, which I joined with a single crochet stitch on the back to connect each one. So I thought this turned out nice. And then you may have seen this in a previous video, but I got into plastic canvas work again because I used to do this when I was in the 8th grade for an assignment, which was for a coaster. So I thought I'd do the Pride progress flag. You see, there's the white, then each color of the progress flag, the pink and the teal, brown and black, and then you got the 6 Pride colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then you may have seen this one in my past video on the projects completed thus far. And this is the Pride blanket. And again, I did each panel with the red heart ombre colored yarn. I got purple, blue, and green, yellow, and the red. For the orange, as I mentioned before in that one video, red heart does not have an orange ombre yarn, so I had to improvise with 4 different skeins of yarn to get that ombre effect. And then for the border, I did the progress flag. Again, these are all double crochet stitches for the border, and there's white, the pink, teal, brown, and black. So this was a good a big blanket. It was one of my crowning achievement projects for Pride Month. So I may do some more Pride related crochet items. I did see a Pride peacock one, so I might do that one, or I might just do some more Pride related Afghans or whatnot. So stay tuned for that. All right, hopefully y'all enjoyed that little video. Again, this was just to showcase my work in crochet and plastic canvas work and other fiber arts, mostly crochet, for Pride Month to to celebrate Pride Month. So whether you're gay or lesbian, member of the LGBTQ plus community, or you're an ally, so we need to celebrate diversity and equality and inclusion. So yeah, and like I said, I will create some more projects and do some more crocheting. And so yeah, so hopefully this inspires you to grab out your crochet hook or your plastic canvas, grab some yarn, and create something in honor of Pride Month. So I'd like to see what y'all come up with. So yeah, that's all I got for today. So, and the weather here is really beautiful outside. It's real sunny, and I may go for a walk here shortly. So yeah, so if you can go out for a nice walk, if the weather is sunny and cooperating for you as well, and if you're able to. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned for some more upcoming projects. And again, this is a safe and creative space for everybody. So please, no negative or derogatory comments. And hope your day's going well today. So crochet something beautiful today. And on that note, take care of yourself and each other.